Evo Gimbals is proud to introduce its newest product, the Evo Shift. The Evo Shift will transform your smartphone into a Hollywood-style Steadicam and allow you to capture incredibly smooth video. The Evo Shift Gimbal. Finally, your video's worth sharing. Unleash the power of your smartphone and make your videos worth sharing with the Evo Shift.
Do you want completely stable GoPro video footage? You can now get that smooth cinematic quality with ease by using the REMOVU S1, the smartest gimbal for GoPro cameras. The REMOVU S1 is a 3-axis stabilizing gimbal manufactured with world-class brushless DC motors and rotary sensors. The S1 delivers extremely stable professional shots in any kind of activity. The S1 removes unwanted movements and vibrations, resulting in buttery smooth footage. The REMOVU S1 is the world's first handheld and mountable gimbal. The S1 hand grip can easily be detached from the S1 body, transforming the S1 into a mountable gimbal that can be attached to any GoPro-compatible mounting system. The S1 can be mounted anywhere a GoPro can be mounted. You can mount the S1 on your body, a helmet, a pole, a bike, or anywhere a GoPro can be mounted. You can use the S1 remote control joystick to control the camera's orientation. The joystick can be detached from the S1 hand grip for further ease of use. Control the camera's pan and tilt positions from a distance or while the gimbal is in your hand. REMOVU S1 has two OLED displays which indicate the gimbal's current mode and the S1 battery level. These OLED displays are both on the S1 body and the S1 remote control joystick, so that you can always see what mode you're in. You can easily change the gimbal's mode to pan, follow, and lock mode, or use the inverted mode for those low angle shots. Additionally, the S1 is the world's first rainproof gimbal for GoPro cameras. The motors in the S1 body are specifically designed to be water resistant. Together with the rainproof housing, you can use the S1 in the rain or snow and not worry about damaging your camera equipment. The REMOVU S1 is the world's most innovative gimbal for GoPro cameras, designed for your comfort, ease of use, and versatility. Say goodbye to shaky, unstable footage and start capturing those special moments on the REMOVU S1.
Stabilization is one of those things that once you see the video from it, you immediately understand why you need it.
With Karma, we're giving you a world-class stabilizer to ensure that you get the best, most stable shots possible in the air and on the ground. The Karma Grip enables you to take the stabilizer from your Karma drone, place it on the Karma Grip, and use it for super steady, buttery smooth, handheld footage on the ground.
No matter what movement you do with your body or your skateboard or the car, it creates this perfectly stabilized image and enables someone to capture footage of someone walking and have it be the smoothest, highest quality image that they have captured ever with a GoPro. And then the Karma Grip becomes an extension of your GoPro. It gives you the ability to stop the camera, change camera modes, you can change the stabilizer's angle, you can highlight your best moments on the fly, and provides 2 hours of battery life so that you can capture any activity you're doing, and you can obviously power on and off the camera. And then furthermore, you can take the Karma Grip and mount it into the full GoPro ecosystem of mounts. So that means you can take a beautiful stabilized image by mounting it onto even the Karma case that the system comes with, or you can put it onto a bike, you can put it onto a car, you can put it onto a helmet. We didn't focus on creating just a flying camera. We set out to make a system that allows you to capture the best GoPro footage ever.
Introducing the REMOVU K1, an all-in-one 4K camera stabilizer for handheld videography. The K1 is lightweight, portable, and extremely easy to use. Simply turn K1 on and you're ready to go. K1 can shoot stunning 4K video, and it can also capture super slow motion in full HD. The K1 allows you to live preview what the camera sees. You can also play back your recorded videos and photos instantly. Capture beautiful scenery with the K1's 101-degree field of view lens, or get up close for those selfie shots with K1's 12-inch focal point. K1 also takes high-quality 12-megapixel photos and creates spectacular 4K motion time-lapse videos. The 4-way joystick allows you to control the camera's position, or use the trigger on the back of the hand grip to switch to pan mode, follow mode, or selfie mode. The K1 Smart Battery allows you to record video and take pictures for up to 4 hours on a single charge. The K1 Smart Battery can be recharged using a micro USB cable and any power source. The K1 mobile app for iOS and Android allows you to control the K1 remotely. And you can share your videos and photos instantly on social media. Life is a beautiful thing. Capture it with the REMOVU K1.